Me thinking I'd have a normal Sunday night and then a budgie flies in my bedroom. Can anyone tell us what to do when a budgie has flown in your bedroom? What do we do? I'm not laughing because I don't want it to be distressed and someone has lost their pet, but budgie has flown through the window. Like, how's this happening on Sunday night? What do we do? Excuse me, mate, but you don't live here. You're kind of trespassing. For f***'s sake, mate. Ah! Oi. Sat here minding my own business, watching the news, and then I just hear, like, what's that? Go in the bedroom. Oh, that was just a f***ing budgie. Stress levels are through the f***ing roof. It's flying everywhere. Ah! I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. Oh! Hey, whoa! Oh my God, my stress levels are gone. I need a rosé. I need it. I think I need a glass of wine. That plant's actually pretty new, if you don't mind. Now he's probably gonna shit on the bedsheet. Hey, whoa! Oh my God, can't get any worse. We're gonna take him to an emergency vet, guys, if we can catch him. Not in a selfish way, but it's Sunday night. I did just want to be sitting on my fat ass watching TV. Now I've got to catch a budgie. What I want to know is, how is he flying that high? Oh, yes, yes, yes! In you go. Yes! You get that lid over. I'm literally heartbroken. They just took him off us in the box. I didn't even get to say goodbye. I'm actually going to cry.